How to make only specific friends can see your high school informations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only specific friends can see your high school informations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then profile information, and here you will find your high school. Just click this pin here on your high school and here you will find sharing settings, click on it and then just select specific friends and then select them here and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.